Up until this year, the sub 25,000 rupees price bracket for TV was populated with really bare-bone features. But with the launch of Realme and OnePlus TVs, we saw better TVs with better features and more value for money. And also established TV makers like Viu and Xiaomi also piqued the interest of buyers. And so here are our top picks for the best TVs that you can buy under 25,000 rupees. But before we get started, let me quickly remind you to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you are always notified of our latest videos. Now let me quickly walk you through how we actually ranked the TVs. First of all, we had to make sure that the TVs that we were listing had to be reviewed by us. All the experiences that we had, be it audio quality or picture quality or ease of access or the overall polish of the UI, mattered a lot in our decision. Secondly, we had to make sure that the TVs offered really good value for money, because that's exactly what this segment is all about. Now, there aren't a lot of 4K TVs in this price bracket, but then we still managed to squeeze in one entry just for you guys, mainly because 4K tech is very difficult to squeeze in such short budget. Now, let's pick him. Now, the winner of the best TV under 25,000 rupees has to be the Mi TV 4A Horizon Edition. We have to say that no other brand has quite made as much of an impact on the Indian television market in such a short time as Xiaomi. Starting at around 14,000 rupees for the base 32-inch variant and going all the way up to 23,500 rupees for the 43-inch panel, the TV boasts a slim bezel design, good picture quality and reasonable sound quality. It is powered by a gig of RAM and 8 gigs of internal storage, and it runs Xiaomi's proprietary Patchwall 3.0 UI, which is based on Android TV 9 Pie. All this gives it fast boot functionality and access to all the major apps and services through the Play Store. But it has its own flaws. The UI is a bit too sluggish, the colors are a bit dull, and the minimalist remote that Xiaomi takes so much pride in can be too minimalist at times. But then again, under 25,000 you can't really expect much, so it gets a top pick. Now the runner-up in the sub 25,000 rupees segment for TVs has to be the Blopung 43BU680. Usually priced around 22,000 rupees or so, this TV is amongst the most affordable 4K HDR TVs in India. It supports HDR10 standard for high dynamic range viewing and has a 43-inch LED panel. Picture quality is good with 4K and full HD content, but it drops considerably at lower resolutions. The Android interface isn't the best in the business. It is almost unusable at times, so you should consider buying a separate streaming device like the Fire Stick 4K or a Mi Box 4K. But since it gets its basics right, it's a worthy runner-up. Time for the honorable mention, and that is the Realme Smart TV. Like I mentioned before, the entry of Realme really changed the game for affordable smart TVs. We reviewed the 43-inch variant of the Realme Smart TV, which is priced at around 22,000 rupees. It has a stock Android TV interface, voice assistant remote, and software level support for HDR. The 32-inch variant, priced at around 13,000 rupees, is among the best entry-level TVs that you can buy today. It is a good way to get started with smart functionality without spending too much, and support for all popular apps on Android TV means that you won't need to buy any additional equipment beyond your set-top box or gaming console. And those were our top 3 picks for the best TVs under 25,000 rupees. Which one's your favorite, or which one's the one that you're going to buy? Let us know in the comments. And for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.